Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use circle to search in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using Samsung A36 or A56 and now you want to enable or use circle to search, so let's see how can I do this. First of all, you just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for display, tap on it. Then look for navigation bar, tap on it. Then you must have to enable circle to search. Enable it. Now go back, and here you must have to press and hold on the home button to enable circle to search. Now just circle the area for which you want to search. I'm going to search on circle on Play Store, just like this. So that's how you can easily use circle to search. There's the second way. You just have to go back. If you're using any app, so you can easily use circle to search on the app. Just open any app, and here just look for which you want to search. Just keep a long press on the home button and then circle the area which you want to search. So that's how you can easily use circle to search in your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.